my Gucci belt. Polo hat with that build, it's felt like I felt your bitch's titty like Diddy Kong. Diddy take a fat hit of this money bong. Like you want, put the ink to the song. Louis duffel bag full of consoles that play pong. My dick riding up a bitch's song. Hit that bitch like I hit my Gucci gong. Burn a synagogue, call me Hitler Mong, but you're fucking wrong. Louis Vuitton on my lawn, put that bitch where he belong. Eat her up like eggs for young, skateboard at my Beamer. Always ride along, pills that make me strong, pills that keep me long. Fill her up with cream like ding dong. Be a Kong, mouth a dong, spitting it like Tim John. Cause I'm Prophet, but I'm young. The name's Young Prophet, my dick please hop off it, blazing bars, but don't call shit like lean, wake up and start shit. Let's flow, it's hard like you can't stop it, fuck always on top it when I get hit like a big pop. Beamer to the chop shop, while you're at us in 20s, make that shit fuck.